Hey cuties! Today I'll show you how to draw and color this Santa Claus with a string of lights. We start with a face and draw a small nose. Then we draw two large eyes. Above each eye we draw a bushy eyebrow. Next we draw the white edge of the pointed cap. We continue with Santa's face and cheeks. Now we draw a large mustache. The mustache extends beyond the cheeks. Next we draw the mouth with a tongue. And also the base of the beard. Next we draw Santa's hair. Once on the left side and once on the right side. Next we draw a long pointed beard. Now we finish drawing the pointed cap. There is a large pom-pom at the end. Now we continue with Santa's upper body. We draw a belt buckle. This is located slightly below the beard. Then we draw the chest. And then we draw the arms. One arm on the left side. And one arm on the right side. Then we draw a very simple glove on each arm. And after that we finish drawing the belt. Then we finish the jacket and draw a wide border below the belt. Next we draw Santa's wide pants. Here we start a little way down the center of the jacket and draw a small arc first. From this arc, we draw the left and right pant legs. Then we draw a shoe on the right leg. And after that we draw a shoe on the left leg too. Finally we draw a string of lights. We draw a large arc from the left hand to the right hand. To the left and right of this arc, we draw large lights. In the same way we also draw the string of lights in other places on Santa Claus. Our Santa Claus is finished and now we can color him. I colored the belt buckle yellow. And I colored the lights on the string of lights yellow, turquoise, purple, and blue. I used black for the belt. And the shoes were painted brown. Then I used a light red for the jacket. And for the pointed cap, gloves, and pants, I used a darker red. After that I used a skin color for the face. And I painted the eyes turquoise and black. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you again next time. See you soon.